mgani?
Mitihani inaendelea vizuri. So there is one incident ambayo imepatikana huko Memble High School. Kuna wanafunzi wawili wamepatikana na simu, na hiyo ni irregularity ya mitihani, and we have already taken action. Wakati mitihani ilikuwa inaendelea, mwanafunzi mmoja akapatikana na mwingine bado akapatikana na simu. So hiyo maneno yote tunachunguza. DCI ndio handle the issue. Standards zingine wanaendelea vizuri bila shida yote.
But let me be very clear, the exam has not leaked. The student also did not access the content of the phone, which is we are now analyzing. But we are saying it is a breach which we are investigating. That's carrying clothing devices into the examination room. They will continue the exam as the regulation starts, but those the investigation will continue, and of course, National Examination Council have the right, they will take action also as the police take, because they can even cancel those results depending on whether the integrity of the exam has been compromised.